PyMuPDF layout can turn PDFs into clean, structured data. In this tutorial, we will use PyMuPDF4LLM to extract content from a PDF document as JSON data. First up, let's install PyMuPDF4LLM. The latest version now also includes PyMuPDF layout by default. It combines heuristics with machine learning for better extraction results. In this example, we will use this 3-page PDF as our source document. Every page contains a header, some paragraphs, a table, and a footer. After importing PyMuPDF4LLM, we can use the method toJSON to extract the document content as JSON data. This is the JSON output data. It is a string and needs to be parsed. Let's parse the JSON data using the method loads to get a Python dictionary. We can loop through pages using the entry pages, then we can get the page number. In order to access page content, we need to loop through boxes. PyMuPDF layout assigns a box class to each box, which gives semantic information about its content. In this example, we have page header, page footer, text, and table. Let's take a closer look at the box content. In addition to the box class entry, we also have image, table, and text lines. The text lines list structure is similar to what we can get when we use the getText method. The spans structure is where you can get the text content and information like size, font, color, and much more. Let's find out how many text lines are there in each box. Next, let's print each span's text content on a line, together with the font and size. PyMuPDF layout has advanced table detection. This is the data that we can get using the table entry, row and column count, cell layout, extracted text, and table in Markdown format. To get the extracted content from each table in the document, just use the key extract. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.